Ever feel like you're navigating a minefield when it comes to internet safety? Concerned that you, your business, or even your children might accidentally step into the darker corners of the web? You're not alone. As the internet continues to grow, so do the risks. But what if you could browse the web with a safety net, custom tailored to fit your unique needs? With Zenarmor, you can have full control of your online experience by personalizing web safety without sacrificing the protective net of cloud-based threat intelligence. All Zenarmor users have access to an AI-based cloud threat intelligence database that analyzes web queries in real time against over 300 million websites in 120 categories. For business subscribers, Zenarmor dives deeper into insights from over 1 billion domains for automated policy-based decisions. Zenarmor includes 3 predefined web profiles which are available to all users. Are the predefined web profiles falling short of your expectations? If you want more control over the predefined web profiles in Zenarmor, you may create custom web profiles that meet your specific needs as a premium subscriber. Select any number of categories that you wish to block on your network. Take full control of your web filtering experience. Moreover, you have the power to create your own web categories and curate them with websites of your choosing. You may add as many websites as you desire. Parents and schools may enforce safe search to help ensure a secure online environment for children. It's important to ensure children are protected and can explore the internet safely. When safe search is enabled, search results pages are filtered for sexually explicit videos and images, as well as results that may link to such content. Typically, safe search is enabled per user or endpoint. However, Zenarmor enables you to effortlessly enable safe search enforcement per policy for all network users. Custom web profiles are one of many great features that are available with a Zenarmor premium subscription.